Hi, my name is Ayan Ibrahim, and today we are going to look over my Google Classroom. So there's different ways to look it up. I usually look it up this way, but for some people they find it easier to just go down here, click on Google Classroom. It'll take you exactly where I was in the beginning. So for my writing class, you will see a little memo about me. So since I introduced myself in the beginning, and my name is Ayan, I'm an English teacher. For this, I'm going to be the English teacher for this quarter, and I'm eager to be teaching each one of your students this year. I have taught ESL before, and I am fluent in three different languages. And I graduated from Metro, and I'm now coming back to do my master's. For some students, I just want people to know that in the classroom, I want people to focus on being open and feeling comfortable to talk about their background, to really talk more about the state standards, but also including culture in everything that we do. So for one of the videos that I have for the students are here, which is a greetings in different languages. So for my classwork this semester, or quarter, should I say, I was at a semester last time. Um, we will be going over different topics, and as you can see here, the first thing is a get to know you question. So for this question, students will answer the question. You can download it here. It'll take you straight here. And then you can copy the questions and answer it. And then you can just easily share it here with Mia. So you can answer the questions, change the title if you want. You can see the title here for mine is Get to Know You Questions. You can just add your name in the beginning if you want, and then just share it. And then I will be able to see it from my side. So let's go back. The questions are very straightforward. It's just some fun questions to answer. So for the first week, it's about facts and opinion, and I have a screencast of me talking about what facts and opinions are, and just showing you guys some examples that could help you do the assignment. Fifth grade. Today So I have a little worksheet for the students, and for this worksheet, let's pop it up. There you go. You just answer the questions. You can print this paper out, answer the questions, and then scan it, email it to yourself, and then email it to me. Or you can scan it and then email it straight to me. If you want to have a copy, you can also email it to yourself. And then as soon as you turn it in, I will be able to see it from here. And then also you will receive your grades as soon as assignments are turned in. It usually takes me about a day or two to give you guys the answers back and what you received on the assignment. So let's go back here to Google Classroom. Classwork. And then here is another assignment that we will learn. It's about poems. I have examples, an introduction what a poetry is, and then assignments. You'll be doing the same thing. What I really like about this Google Classroom is it's very accessible. You can use it from anywhere you are. If you have a laptop, if you have a phone, Google Drive is in most devices these days, so it will be very, very, very simple to access it. You can do it from your couch, you can do it while you're on the bus. So it's perfect. It's paperless. Teachers and students don't really have to use a lot of paper, and teachers can upload assignments. Students can see it as they go. You'll get you'll get notifications on your Gmail once the assignments are submitted, and it's a perfect way for communications. Like this tool has built so many different ways for students, parents to just be able to stream and send messages and assignments and just receive your feedbacks. For here, I will be able to add students by their name or their email. Students can add themselves, and then once they have my classroom code, and then there will be out. And then for the classroom code, it's right here. And then they can also add pictures of themselves, And let's see. And then here you can see how organized this is. It just goes over the different assignments throughout the week of that we're going to be practicing. And then this is a great tool for engagement for students to really want to do the assignments in the class, because students use technology these days. Technology is everything. So being able to, here, for instance, I have an assignment here where you can, as a class, we will play a Kahoot game, which is about facts and opinion. So they'll have the questions and they'll be able to answer and then you can see here, I can see 2 students already turned it in. And then you can see I'll have the questions up, and then the students will pick if it's A or B, and the answer will display on the screen, and they'll see which one is wrong and which one is right, and we'll go over it as a class. And then I also have an extra credit at the end that students will be able to submit for extra credit, for if they want to earn more points. And then here it just shows you the videos and the different assignments. It usually goes by which one was submitted first to last. So thank you so much for watching my video and seeing how Google Classroom works, how you can add people, you can add your pictures so people know who you are. You can upload your class, the different assignments you want to submit. You just create, if it's an assignment, if it's a quiz, if it's a question. You can add topics like how I did here. You can see week 1, facts and opinion. Week 2, the first draft and of the poems. Week 3, 4, and 5. It's very simple, very straightforward, and it's probably the easiest tool that a teacher and a student can both enjoy and use